Hey guys, Joseph Vardas here with Steam Force Restorative Cleaning Solutions in Ocala, Florida, 352-694-0494. Been called out to a house. They had a funky taste in their water and they just asked me if I had any ideas. I said, sure, clean it out with some bleach water. And so I have an electric sprayer from Petra tools. It's the 4-gallon backpack sprayer. And they have a great design and hose handle for any of you guys using sprayers out there, pump ups. I'm done with those. But check this out, they got an orange attachment for their sprayer tips, and I unscrewed the bar and I screwed in the orange sprayer tip attachment, and that 1/4-inch water line fits right inside, tightly. I mean, amazingly tightly. No leaks, nothing. And basically this customer, you know, obviously we're going to be cleaning the floor next, but here's the tool. Petra backpack sprayer, and just so you can tell that the refrigerator and the tools working together, listen to the backpack sprayer as I turn on the water faucet here. Hear that? Yep, it's flushing all that chlorine or sodium hypochlorite waters going through there, cleaning out the line, getting rid of all the bacteria, mold, and mildew, whatever's kind of built up in there over the years. She said this is around 15 years old. Anyways, consider that, guys. Great little tip here from Joseph with Steam Force Restorative Cleaning Solutions.